Lagi po tayo nagkakasama, lagi po tayo nag-enjoy dito po. Lagi tayo kasama ni Jesus, palagi tayo nagkakasama, palagi. Kasama natin si Nanong, tas si Nanang, tas si Ate Sophie, tas si Kuya, tas si Papu, tas si Mami. Tas, ano?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Palagi po.
Ingat.
Ingat po. Lagi po nag-iingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish you all the best. Good health. Stay
Hello
strong.
Po.
Lagi ingat.
Lagi ingat po. Lagi,
Love you.
Love you po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kanta.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Papu.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Peace.
Hello, bye-bye.
Kaya pula.
We wish you good health and stay strong. And then always be happy and take care of the kids and thank you for giving patience to Mommy. And we miss you. Proud niya pula, bye-bye.
Kaya pula.